Are you looking for the best toilet cleaners? In this video, we will break down the top 5 toilet cleaners on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Hello there. Here at Better and Best Products, we're a group of product researchers and testers. We test, analyze, and research new and trending products to create a list of top picks for every category based on features, quality, price, and user feedback. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best decision. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to get more product review videos regularly.
At number 1, NEVERSCRUB P110 Toilet Cleaning. This is a unique product with a bleach-based cleaning agent. It distributes this bleaching agent into the overflow tube of the toilet after every flush. Most of these cleaning agents are able to break down, so it does not harm the environment. Each refill lasts about 4 months. However, it depends on how frequently the product is used. The installation process is very simple. It just needs to be clipped inside the toilet tank. Also, it is very efficient compared to the traditional scrubbing method of toilet cleaning. It also prevents stains, mineral deposits, and residue. It is extremely effective in cleaning the toilet bowl and leaving behind a refreshing smell. Moreover, every time the toilet is flushed, the water enters the bowl from 2 different sources. The first source is the tank, while the second source is the small hose of this cleaner. As a result, it also helps you with your water bills. At number 2, CLOROX 31417 Toilet Bowl Cleaner. Those who want a toilet cleaner that cleans the toilet without touching or scrubbing and leaves it smelling fresh, should use this toilet bowl cleaner concentrated tablets from CLOROX. Since it has bleach in it, it kills 99.9% of bacteria and viruses without harming the septic tank. These tablets are easy to use. All you have to do is drop them in the toilet bowl and wait to show you its magic. After it does its work, your toilet will be sanitized, deodorized, and sparkling clean. Unlike other toilet cleaners, it won't create an unpleasant smell. Also, these tablets sanitize the toilet bowl in just 5 minutes and keep it clean for 3 months straight. If you are facing the rigors of hard water in your toilet, then CLOROX will take care of it as well. Along with this, the tablets will ensure that there are no lime or mineral stains left in the bowl. At number 3, Scrubbing Bubbles Toilet Cleaner. If you prefer a toilet cleaner that will clean effectively and smell great while doing so, go for this one. You will be impressed with its amazing lavender scent, but there is more to this than just smell. It contains antimicrobial protection in the hook that prevents bacteria and stains. It is quite easy to work with as well. Also, Scrubbing Bubbles is just a remedy for toilet rings and hard water stains in the toilet. Introducing Scrubbing Bubbles Drop-ins. Just drop a tablet into your toilet tank to help keep your toilet bowl stain-free for up to 4 weeks. With every flush, your toilet enjoys glorious relief from stains caused by hard water, minerals and limuscale. That's continuous odor protection for a continuous clean. You can just hang this product on the inside of your toilet bowl, making sure that your toilet bowl will remain clean for a long time. This automatic bowl cleaner will last for up to 8 weeks. At number 4, KABOOM 35113 Toilet Clean System. This scrub-free toilet clean system does away with everyday maintenance and handling of nasty chemicals. It's a worry-free automatic cleaner that takes hard work from the task. It is an inline cleaner that connects to the water that flows directly into the toilet bowl. This helps keep tank components from damage. It uses a powerful bleach-based formula that cleans and refreshes with every flush. The system uses a refillable cartridge, which provides up to 3 months of continuous cleaning. Most inline cleaners last 1 to 2 months. At number 5, 2000 Flushes 290,074 Toilet Bowl Cleaner. This set it and forget it automatic toilet bowl cleaner will keep your toilet bowl clean for 2000 flushes. Remove the lid to your toilet and place a tablet in the corner of the tank. With each flush, the tablet will help to clean and deodorize the toilet bowl. Also, this product kills nearly all bacteria per the manufacturer, and each tablet will last for about 4 months. The bleach in the tablet helps to remove stains. Just note, you may notice the smell of bleach when you flush, so if you're sensitive to smells, this might not be the best pick for you. The dimensions of this product are 1 into 4.62 into 7.25 inches, and its weight is 2.4 pounds.
Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends. If you find this video helpful, Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feel.